You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Hey guys, welcome to Momo Beginner Sewing. I am your sewist Momo, and today we are making peasant dress with bow. This is a super simple peasant dress which is going to have a big red bow in the middle of the just below the neck, and we are using our custom pattern for this. This size is for 18-inch and this can be worn by 1.5 years baby to 2-year baby, and it is very nice for summer, spring and winter as well, but I have specified it for summer season because it has a small sleeve, not a long sleeve, so it is very good for summer season. Let me cut the basic part. As you can see, I have just mapped my pattern on the fabric and start cutting on it. My bodice dress is done. Now I'm cutting the sleeve pattern. This bodice is of 16.5 inch in length because we are going to have 2 inch from the above side. As you can see, the sleeves should be covered 2 inch or 2.5 inch in length, so we have done 16.5 inch in bodice and 2.5 inch in sleeves, so it covers the total length of 18 inch. Please download this pattern from dresscraft.com or from craftsy.com as well. This is for about 6 sizes we are going to have, and please go and download it. So this is all about our cutting step. Now we are starting with sewing. This is our neckline, which is going to have an elastic band over here, and this is our sleeve where we are going to attach it, and this is where we are going to have an elastic waistband. So let us start with our work. I have taken my one fabric and going to have an elastic waistband, elastic band, or you can say elastic casing on the neckline along with the neckline. We are done with our first neck, and this is our gathers, how it looks like. And now we need to replicate the same step to the next neckline as well for the back side. So I am starting covering the elastic band. I'm done with my elastic covering thing on the neckline. Now I'm just removing the extra stuff and cutting them. This is how it looks. Now we are done with our both elastics. This is my sleeve side. As I have told you, our front side is going to have a cover. Same thing we need to done as we have done with our neckline. So I'm just doing a elastic covering and going to have a single seam on it. Here I'm done with my elastic seaming on the sleeves hemline. Now you can see that this is the look we get it, and this is my pieces. I'm going to remove one and going to attach the sleeves one by one. You can see that I'm going to attach it in this way. Here it is the look that how we need to do. I'm going to attach the second sleeve in the similar way. Make sure that your case covering is on the right side. It should be on the back side. The folding seam, the front side should be finished and sleek, so make sure that. Here's the look. The front side is done. Now this is my second corners of the sleeve. Now I am going to attach it like that. It is super simple sleek thing that we have done already on the front side. Hope you guys liking this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video as well. I'm going to seam it and do it in a super fast way. I'm done by sleeve attachment along with both sides. As you can see, our neckline is have elastic all the side. So I am going to have a finished seam along with all the elastic sides, so it has got a very nice and simple sleek finish look. We are done with all our finished seams over here and just removing the extra stuff from here. Now I'm going to deploy the elastic band on the side as well. As you can see, my elastic over here is a little bit wider than from the neck side because there is no hard and fast rule, but this is Here you go, it looks like this. Our first sleeve is done. Now I've done with my both sleeves. I'm going to sew the sides. I'm not going to stitch full side. One side should be open because we need to apply some lace or any tape or anything at the bottom, the bias tape or strap at the bottom. So this is our first look of the dress, the partial look we have done. If you want to stop this dress here because it is already looking very beautiful, so you can stop over here as well, but we are proceeding with this step because we need to make it more formal look, and the bottom should be look nice because it can be wear with the jeans and with the pajamas and standalone as well. So I just going to attach the matched strap at the end, match bias tape at the end, which gives a dimension to the dress. I'm going to attaching the strap along with the side seam which we have little bit open. Please download this pattern from dresscraft.com or from craftsy.com as well. This is for about 6 sizes we are going to have, and please go and download it. You can see that this is our dress look. Now I'm going to attach a lace on it, and this is our bow, and this is our 3 pieces of bows. And now I'm making a bow so you have a look of it, have a glimpse of it at least. Now I'm done with my straps. As you can see, I have given a little bit dimension, inclined dimension to it, so it looks good, and we didn't give it in the last bows we have done. Now I am taking it out from the corners. This is a rectangular package that we have done in the second last video as well, which is about butterfly sleeve. Let me do it quickly. Okay, I've just overlocked the dress so it is not going to populate. As you can see, I don't have a zigzag seams, so I need to do an overlock. This is the way, and I also sew the side seam which we made the open at the end. Now I'm just applying the lace. . We are done with our lace application and we are done with our bow as well. At least we have created it in a scrap, and we are going to attach it like this way. And this is our dress. Hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to us, share this tutorial. Thank you so much. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to us, like this video and share this video as well. See you soon. Let it go, make my body go, take our bodies higher.